The Starfish Zones dashboard is a self-service data management visualization tool that will allow you to navigate through storage folders assigned to your group and explore directory file level details, including storage amounts, last access and modification dates, file owners, and file counts. To access the dashboard, navigate to starfish.rc.fas.harvard.edu. You will need to be on Harvard VPN, FAS RC VPN, or the wired on-campus connection. Documentation is available on the RC website to detail how to connect to the VPN. After navigating to the website, input your FAS RC account name and password. You will need an active FAS RC account associated with a FAS RC group and have existing storage to access the dashboard. You may need to clear the cache on your website browser, and we do recommend using the Chrome or Firefox browser options. If you are a new faculty member or group owner, it may take some time before this information is fully populated into our system. Once logged in, you will be able to view storage folders associated with your group. Most storage folders will be visible except for our NetScratch storage, which is designed as transient storage and therefore is not scanned with Starfish. If you do notice a storage folder is missing outside of NetScratch, please email us to request that it be added. The overview section will be your homepage and offers a summary of the zone, including total size and count, or the number of files and directories. This is helpful for understanding all storage folders associated with your group. The Sunburst view provides visualizations and subdirectories within your zone based on desired characteristics, such as modified time, directory, access time, and username. This could be very helpful for data review and cleanup efforts, as you're able to see modification dates based on when the folders were last used. If it has not been modified for several years, those might be ideal candidates for data cleanup. One of the more useful views of the tool is the Browse option. By double-clicking on a selected folder path, you can drill down all the way to the file level. Group members can modify what information is displayed on the dashboard by right-clicking on the column headers. These are all of the available options for column selection. You can also view this on the right-hand side. Information about the columns can be found in the Help section under Getting Started for Zone Members, as well as the GUI guide or the dashboard guide. The dashboard is updated on a consistent basis. You can view when the zone was last updated on the lower right-hand corner of the dashboard, where a date and time will be listed. If no modifications have been made to the folder contents, the updated time will reflect the last time that changes were made to that folder. To view a summary of the directory, hover over the badge next to the directory name, and you'll see a pop-up with more detailed statistics, including size and count. This allows you to see key information about the current zone without needing to open individual details. You can also view more information about the directory on the right-hand side. It also includes trend information that will show you when the folders were modified over a period of time. The history view will allow you to see a predefined time frame. So you can use the calendar to choose 2 custom dates that will show you the difference between those dates. The interface is going to highlight the status of each item and help identify elements that have been created, removed, or changed between the 2 dates. There's also an available search option where you can search based on directories, files, and common conditions such as tags, usernames, parent paths, etc. You can also export this information to a CSV. Depending on the number of files and folders listed, the CSV file may be too large to download. Returning back to the Browse section, you can see here that our test case for today is J Harvard Lab. And within the Browse view, you can see additional metadata about J Harvard Lab, including the default column headings. We have parent path, size, last modification date, last access date, username, which is the original owner of the file, and the file count, which includes both files and subdirectories. If you double-click on the folder, it will go into the next subfolder all the way down to the file level. You can sort the columns by double-clicking on the column headers. So if you are interested in finding information or data that is older, you could sort by last modification date. Or if you're particularly concerned about file count, you can sort by count. We also have the option to add tags. So you can see here on this folder, we've added a tag. These are classification tags, and they assist with data review and cleanup, as they come with identifiers such as delete, move to tape, etc. And they can be applied to the directory by right-clicking and then edit tags, and you can add the tag there. You can see here we have options for do not delete, do not move to tape, etc. If you have any questions or would like to learn more information about the Starfish dashboard, you can visit our website at docs.rc, or you can email the Research Data Management team at rdm@rc.fas.harvard.edu.